Hello everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm here tonight to do the giveaway for the journal, and I want to just quickly thank everyone for subbing. I really want to let you know I totally appreciate that, and I think I was up to something like 727 the last time I looked, so very cool, and thank you for that. And also I want to thank all the people that commented. I just said leave a comment, leave a nice comment, and I read each and every one and enjoyed that, and it was really awesome to get this was the most comments I ever got on a giveaway video, so that was so cool. So without delay, I won't take up your time tonight. I've already got my the URL in here. I've already got the comments, 77 unique comments. I'm going to go over here and hit start right down here, and we'll see who the winner is. Can't wait. And the winner is Nancy Justice. Yay! So happy for you, Nancy. And let's see, what does it say here? Nancy said, congrats, love your items and videos. So that was so nice. Thank you, Nancy. You're the winner. I will have my email below this video, or you can always contact me through Etsy, through my Etsy. So either way, I may actually already have your address. I think I do. Now that I think about it, I don't know why I'm saying that. I already have your address, I believe. So I will get this in the mail. I already have it packed up, and I'll get it in the mail tomorrow. Thanks, Nancy, and thanks to everyone, and have a great night, and happy crafting. See you next time.